A new twist on time management and productivity. How to stay organized and make the most of your time. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and scattered. Traditional to-do lists often fail to keep up with the current pace of life, leaving us feeling unmotivated and unproductive. In the next few minutes, we will explore a new twist on time management and productivity that will help you stay organized, feel productive, and make the most of your precious time. Step 1. Find a central place to organize everything. Whether you prefer a notebook, paper planner, or a digital solution, it's important to have a central place to organize all your tasks, ideas, and to-do lists. This central place will serve as your go-to resource for managing your time effectively. Step 2. Capture every task that comes in. To prevent tasks from slipping through the cracks, it's crucial to capture every thought, idea, and task as it comes to mind. Whether it's adding items to your grocery list, planning a vacation, or organizing your photos, make sure to record them in your central organizing system. Step 3. Sort and prioritize. Once you have captured all your tasks and ideas, it's time to sort and prioritize them. You can organize them based on their urgency, importance, or category. Prioritize the top 3 tasks that need to be done today and sort the rest into appropriate categories like grocery shopping, errands, or projects. The limitations of traditional to-do lists. Traditional to-do lists often fall short in 2 key areas. Firstly, they fail to capture and track tasks as they come to mind, leading to important things being forgotten or overlooked. Secondly, they don't provide a comprehensive view of all the tasks and ideas we have, making it difficult to prioritize and manage them effectively. The power of capturing every thought and idea. By capturing every thought, idea, and task as it comes to mind, we can prevent important things from slipping away. This simple act of recording tasks helps us feel more in control and reduces stress and anxiety. It also allows us to prioritize tasks and say "not today" to tasks that can wait their turn. Using digital solutions for task management. While some people prefer pen and paper, incorporating a digital task management system can be highly effective. It provides easy access, allows for sorting and organizing tasks, and ensures that nothing gets lost or forgotten. Some people use the To-Do app as a reliable and user-friendly digital solution. This app does have a small monthly fee, but is easy to use. Additional tips for effective time management. Treat tasks and ideas as inventory and be mindful of how much you have to manage. Arrive early to appointments to review text messages, voicemails, and missed calls. Don't let email dictate your day. Check it only a few times a day and respond immediately or add tasks to your list. Removing email notifications from your phone can help with this. Embrace the power of saying "not today" to tasks that can wait their turn. Conclusion: incorporating a new twist on time management and productivity can help you stay organized, feel productive, and make the most of your time. By finding a central place to organize everything, capturing every thought and idea, and sorting and prioritizing tasks, you can regain control over your time and reduce stress and overwhelm. Remember, it's not about doing everything, but about managing your tasks effectively and making conscious choices about what can wait for another day. Stay inspired, keep growing, and live your best life forever changed and forever free. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All Things Simple.